G'day, it's Matt here. I'm going to quickly walk you through how to resolve an issue that you might find with VidIQ, and this was a bit of a tricky one for me. I found that the videos that I was uploading weren't appearing in my All Videos Optimize area. So you can see here there's one that's Parham to Jeps Cross as an example, nighttime looking photo in the thumbnail there, but it's not appearing in here. Where it is showing up though is in Shorts. So the easiest way to be able to do this, and sometimes these can be incorrectly categorized if they're scheduled in the future or private or unlisted videos, mouse over the information icon, click on classify as long, and then if we go back to the videos here, you'll see that they move over into the long area. So just another example, we've got Butte to Moonta. If we click on the I information one, it doesn't do what we need it to, so don't do that. Mouse over it, and then after that pop-up comes up, click on classify as long, and there we can see Butte to Moonta's popped up over there. Nailed it.